I found out how to make a calendar on Scratch, and it's actually very simple. But still, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made a calendar. So grab your popcorn and get a cozy sit and start watching the video. So this all started with me editing the art. So not really editing, but making the art, and I had to do this all till December, and it just took me a lot of time.
A few moments later.
After I was finally done, I started the code. I made a variable called month so that I can store in all the months, and then I renamed all the costumes, and then I started to make a new variable called add, and then I made so that I can switch through months with arrow keys. Then I made a reg square, and so that it would show on which date you are, and then I started to use one technique to make the days be good. But should I tell you one thing? It didn't work, so I had to start all over, and I had a better technique that should work, but sadly it took so long, so I had to make 12 of these lines that have like 200 blocks in there, so that's why it took me a lot of time and I was sad. So I did this for all months, and this took me just thousands of years.
The next day.
On the next day, I was finally done, and I just added some small extra things that I mistakenly removed, and then I was really done.